We'll use the big ball to release tension in your rib cage. So we'll come on down to our side. The ball is going to be in the middle of the ribs, and then when you lay down, extend the arm long. We're starting on the right, so the right arm is long onto the floor. Again, hips are going to relax so that you can feel a sense of releasing tension in your lower half. That top arm will start to inhale and reach it all the way up and over, and then come back down. Do this a couple times so that you get a sense of what it feels like to put your weight into the ball. And then we'll start to do a little bit more energetic reach with this top arm. So when you reach back, actually move your shoulder back, stretching the neck a little bit. And then when you reach your arm over your head, see if you can actually shift that top arm past the bottom arm. And then again, reaching up, begin to stretch. So keep going as you reach through the fingers. And then inhale, take the arm up and past the fingers that are already on the floor. One more time here, lengthen. Keep breathing. Shift off the ball. Make sure you take a moment to rest on your back. Deep breaths into your rib cage. Let's start the other side here. Shift around. Again, place the ball right in the middle of your side. Take a moment to sink your weight toward the ball. Again, relaxing your lower half. Make sure your hips feel supported. 3 times to just start to feel that weight pressing into the ball. We'll begin to get a little bit more energetic with this lifted arm. So as you take your arm down, start to reach past your hip, lengthen from your neck. And again, shift so that the fingertips work past the ones already on the floor. Keep breathing. Embrace that little bit of effort. And then roll onto your back. Again, take this ball out of the way. Relax and let your whole torso settle. Notice the difference in your breathing.